One day, Tom was thinking about how much he'd like a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. He went out for a walk, but he just couldn't stop thinking about that slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. After a while, he came across his good friend the miller. Hello, Miller. Do you have a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey for me?
No, but we can bake you some bread.
Tom thought this was a wonderful idea. But the baking didn't really work out.